The vertical induction hardening machine for planetary roller screws is a dedicated heat treatment system designed for precision long shaft components such as planetary roller screws. Featuring a vertical configuration, it enhances the surface hardness, wear resistance, and fatigue life of roller raceways and thread surfaces through induction hardening, meeting the stringent requirements of precision transmission applications. This hardening machine is primarily applied in industries, including industrial robotics, high-end machine tools, aerospace, and new energy vehicles. It is widely used for precision hardening of planetary roller screws and high-precision ball screws, meeting C3, C5 transmission accuracy and long service life requirements.